Getting YouTube on Apple TV is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. If you haven't already, sign in to your Pandora account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. Once you are signed in, navigate to the collection section. You can typically find this by clicking on your profile icon or name. Give your playlist a name that represents the type of music or the mood you want it to have. Start adding songs to your playlist. You can do this by searching for specific songs, artists, or genres, and then clicking on the plus icon next to each track you want to add. You can also add songs from stations you've listened to or from existing playlists. After you've added and arranged the songs to your liking, click on the Save or Done button to save your playlist. Your playlist will now be saved in the collection section of your Pandora account. You can access it anytime to listen to the songs you've added. If you want to share your playlist with friends or on social media, there are usually options to do so. You can typically find a share button next to your playlist.